I run this way. Got me a Master Lock Python. It's a 6-foot cable. I got it in 3/16 inch diameter. I'm going to show you why. Let me get it unhooked here real quick. In the fall of the year, those of us who hunt a lot, we've always got a concern with our cameras when we put out in the woods. So I have no intentions of getting the camera stolen again, because I had it happen one time. I've used these on the bigger cables, the Python cables on ladders and equipment and things on a job site, and always been real happy with them, never had a problem. So this easily goes through here, of course wraps around the tree, and oh yeah, now I remember. I'll take the key out. Then it's locked. Okay. So I still suggest putting them up high, out of reach of normal height person. But if you can't do that, this will help you too. There's not a lot of guys that carry bolt cutters around out in the woods with them, so you ought to be okay. I've got a solar panel that I'm gonna hook these up on also. So it's good stuff. It's going to keep your things safe, and you need that. Price these cameras nowadays. Anyway, it's the Master Lock Python system. Go ahead and get them. Bye now.